How do you wheelie? I can only get my tire up 2 inches. My bike doesn't have enough power, have enough torque.
And if no one from the future is gonna come and stop me, then how bad of a decision can it really be? Honestly.
Damn.
What's up, Voro Mafia? This is Damon again. Today, I am going to show you how to pop a wheelie. Step 1, remove your steering dampener. Make sure you check your brakes. It needs to depress halfway. That way you can trust your brakes in the process. Unplug both the front and rear brake sensors. If you're very confident, just unplug the rear one. Start by popping the front wheel while staying completely still. Put your front foot right near the suspension, then drive it down hard. That's what gives you the lift. If you watch closely, you can see the forks compress and rebounds to your chest. Pull the handlebars up, as close to you as possible. You do not need to lift it high at the start. Repeat the pop until you feel comfortable riding. Now you tried that, you are ready for the balance point wheelie. When you lift up the scooter, keep the throttle steady. Do not wham it. When you hit the throttle, remember, your lift is based on your weight. Heavier riders need a little more speed to pop a wheelie. There you have it. If any professionals manage to do it successfully, tag us on Instagram or TikTok and we will repost. Your safety is above all. Always remember to wear your safety gears. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you'd like to get more tutorials.